Okay, everybody, welcome to Alert Petro channel. So today I show you how to create authentication, login into the dashboard. Yes, sometimes if the user use the dashboard, so we can do all with the authentication. You must type your email or the password. Yes, if we input the correct password or an email incorrectly mean that login into the dashboard. If there is no incorrect mean that redirect to the login. For example, before we type the dashboard, the URL for example, I press enter mean that there is not allowed into the dashboard. So you must type your Gmail and press enter. So mean that the password and Gmail is correctly into the dashboard. So I want to log out. We type the dashboard again and there is not allowed. Okay. This happen before we start create authentication log into the dashboard. We must learn. Yes, we must learn how to create authentication, log into dashboard PHP and version. Yeah, this is the image that I want to show you in this chapter. This chapter with the part 10. Okay, this is a chapter. So first, learn how to create password with md5 sha1 has password verified. Second, learn session start and session destroy. 3. Create the database name that we input login. And 4. Create login folder and exam or another server that you install into your computer. And 5. Create connection.php. And 6. Create index.php. And 7. Create cn login.cs. And 8. Create session.php. And 9. Create dashboard.php. And 10. Create cn dashboard style dashboard.cs. And 11 include chart page to dashboard. Okay, right now we learn the PHP md5 sha1 has function. PHP is a server-side scripting language which supports that PHP responsible for all the back-end functionality required by the website. The authentication system is one of the most important part of website and is one of the most complex where developers make mistakes leaving out vulnerability for others to exploit. One example could be storing and using user password in true form. This situation can be easily prevented using the password hashing as method which take the user password. Okay, this is the md5 function syntax. String and md5 with the parameter to string. And parameter the function can take up to the maximum of to the parameter below. First parameter the string. This parameter is paid to the string to be hashed. And the second parameter get row output. This optional parameter is paid a boolean value on rows. The function return has in row binary format of length. A return text. This function return the hash string either in a lowercase character sequence of length or raw binary form of length. sha1 function syntax string sha1 and this is the parameter function can take up to maximum of 2 parameters are followed with the same undefined the string. The first string this parameter is paid to the string to be rehashed, and the second parameter get a output this optional parameter is paid to boolean values on through the function return hash in a raw binary format. Return type this function return hash string, either in a lowercase character sequence of length or a binary form of length. Have function syntax string has algorithm string and get a raw output. The parameter function can take up to maximum of 3 parameters as follows. Yes, right or wrong is before md5 and sha1. And first parameter algorithm, this parameter space to a string define the hashing algorithm to be used PHP has a total of register hashing algorithm among with the sha1, sa256, md5 and however as 160 form are the most popular one. String, this is a parameter is space the string to be hashed. In general, I put this optional parameter space a boolean value and through the function return the hash in a raw binary format. Return type, the function return the hash string either in a lowercase character, sequence or raw binary. Yeah, this is the code that we want to write the test solo. So you can follow me right now to create as okay. So right now we go to and I want to create the folder. So I go to jam. Okay, so I create the folder password. Okay, so you can right now follow by yourself. For example, I create the file name. Yes, create password .php. Okay, for example, we use the str string password and show username 20 June 96. As when we want to the echo just md5 okay, we want to the string hash to create hash. Okay, so right now I agree already sales, and I go to the browser. Just we want to type the password folder. So I click create a password. So I'll space it. Okay, so I close here, sit down. So I press enter and define variable str. Okay, so we refresh again. So you can see the password I created like this. Okay, and I go to okay, it is not the same the result put on the slide. So I check okay, password are wrong. So I say again and I want to refresh. So mean that this is the password. It is the same with the slide that I show you. Okay, this is the lesson I want to finish. How to use md5 as a1a, and it has in the part 11 I want to show you how to create the password hash and the verify password hash. Okay, thank you so much.